First day on the deal, we discovered that the seller was a fraudulent seller. I had done my due diligence on them, on the deal, talked to the mentors in the group. I've talked to so many people who invested with them, got a couple of referrals that recommended them. We had private dinners and lunches, and they took me to the bar. Whenever you go to the bar, that typically is a little bit deeper relationship. They offer me an opportunity to partner. I looked at the deal, it made sense, everything checked. Even when I asked for some questions challenging their numbers and their assumptions, they gave me full answers. First day on the deal, we discovered that the seller, not them, was a fraudulent seller. Day one. I'm like, how could that happen? What happened to the due diligence? Trust out of the window. And be like, okay, but we're kind of engaged now. So what do we do from here?